Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch between day and night mode in the Waze app in 2026. Is the Waze app too bright at night or too dark during the day? You can switch between day and night map modes simply and easily, and here's exactly how to do so. Before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store, so if you want an easy and practical driving experience, make sure to download it from there. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to switch between day and night mode in the Waze app. First thing you want to do is to open the Waze app and tap the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. You're going to click on them. Then you're going to click and scroll down until you find the settings menu. We're going to click on the settings. Now here, you're going to make sure to scroll and open the map display. This one right here, the second one. And here you're going to scroll down, and this section contains several options for customizing your map look. Now you're going to look for the color scheme option and tap it to see the available choices. Depending on your Waze version, you may see options like day, night, or automatic settings. Now let's look for this option right here. As you can see, there's dark mode here. You're going to click on the dark mode here. And here you can choose whether it's on or off or only at night. Now, this only at night, it's similar to automatic. So, depending on your Waze version, now we're going to choose if you want to brighten map appearance. For example, I'm going to turn off dark mode, and as you can see, the screen switched to light version. And if available, choose automatic to let the Waze switch based on your phone settings or time of the day. And after selecting your preferred option, return to the map, and your new color scheme should be applied immediately. And that's how you switch between day and night mode in the Waze app in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.